plano nating honeymoon. May ibang bansa pa tayo gusto puntahan. Pero kung tatanungin kita ngayon, saan bansa mo gusto or lugar? Gusto niya bumalik sa Korea. So, kunwari tayo mag-on board, sasamahan natin sila papunta sa Korea. Ilabas natin ating phone at pakibuksan ang ating torch. Kunwari po tayo ay nakasakay na sa ating eroplano.
Good evening, passengers. Welcome aboard on the flight. From this moment on, cell phones should be switched on and put into flashlight mode. May we ask for your attention while our cabin crew demonstrates the safety features on this flight. Please raise both hands up in the sky. Now slowly wave from the left to the right. Left. Right. Left. Right.
Po sa ating lahat.